The Google Pixel 7a should be arriving at Google I/O 2023 next week, but in typical Google style it seems the phone is already out in the world. Worse still for Google is the fact that hands-on videos have already made their way online, spilling everything the company had, presumably, hoped to keep secret. So hey everyone, I am Ayush, and if you are new here, don't be shy, do subscribe now. But since this happens so often, we shouldn't be that surprised. At the very least it means we can get a glimpse of the mid-range Pixel ahead of time. There are two prominent videos out there at the moment, a full hands-on video from YouTuber Munchie, and a full teardown of the phone from RB Reviews. Both videos reveal various details about the phone. In a hands-on video by Munchie, it was noted that the Pixel 7a appears to be more refined than its predecessor, the Pixel 6a, with the display sitting flush with the frame. The phone features a 6.1-inch display with a fairly thick bezel, but it seems to have a 90 Hz refresh rate. The screen doesn't support an adaptive refresh rate, so it won't change automatically and potentially save some battery when the full 90 Hz isn't required. But you can toggle it yourself. As expected, the Pixel 7a in the video is powered by the Tensor G2 chipset and comes with 8GB of RAM, an improvement from the Pixel 6a's 6GB. The phone retains the in-display fingerprint scanner from last year. The camera module of the Pixel 7a takes inspiration from the Pixel 7 and, according to Munchie, the camera bar on the back of the phone doesn't protrude excessively. The battery seems to be a bit contentious, since the phone on Munchie's video claims there's 4,300 mAh of capacity, while a teardown from PB Reviews notes that the battery pack itself lists the capacity as 4,385 mAh and 4,344 mAh. The fact there are three separate figures noted is pretty strange, and we may need to wait for Google to clarify this. According to the hands-on video, the Pixel 7a is estimated to support charging speeds between 18W and 20W on a wired connection, while wireless charging is limited to just 5W. This wireless charging speed is quite slow, but it is possible that using a specialized wireless charger like the Pixel Stand 2 could offer slightly faster speeds. However, due to the low wireless charging speed, the phone doesn't offer reverse wireless charging. Very little of the camera could be revealed at this early stage, with Munchie noting that a launch day software update could unlock a bunch of features that appear to be missing, like action and cinematic modes. He also spotted that the phone registered photos from the main and ultra-wide lenses as 16.1MP, which runs contrary to the current rumors that we're getting a 64MP main and 12MP ultra-wide. In the hands-on video, it was noted that the camera app of the Pixel 7a mistakenly showed three rear cameras, with two 16.1MP lenses and a third at 13MP, although the phone only has two rear lenses. With Google I/O being so close, it won't be long before Google has the opportunity to verify or refute this information. Finally, what are your thoughts about it? Do let us know in the comments section. Hope you liked and subscribed to this channel. I will see you in next one.